Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Chad's Trains and Things, and we're back at the O-scale Christmas layout in the Santa trailer for the Jonesburg Lighted Christmas Parade, as today, December 1st, 2023, is the Lighted Christmas Parade. So right now I'm re-gluing stuff because this stays in the trailer year-round, so stuff gets knocked around as this trailer's used for other stuff, and trying to straighten trees back up and glue things back down and clean the tracks as they are filthy. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this, get it all clean, and then I'll come back and give you a full detail with the lights all on and let you see the whole building and run the train a little bit, and maybe even bring you bits and pieces of the parade. But it's hard for me to record the parade because the music they play during it's copyrighted, so we'll see what we can do on that, but I'll check you later. Okay, train's out, track is clean. Just show you everything on here with the exception of the Christmas countdown back here is all the Walmart villages. Well, everything but that, and the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer characters, which were ordered off Amazon. But you got the greenhouse here, which lights up, but the battery's dead, so I gotta run up and get some batteries for it real quick. Got the Toys for Tots building, of course the Hunting Lodge, Salvation Army collecting, carolers, people out on the street, the fire department, which I love the puppy dog, just a random house, back up a little bit, nativity scene, wreaths for sale, then you got just some kids playing in the snow, snowball fight, deer checking out the snowman. Back here, kind of got a bear sitting among the trees for something different. But yeah, that's the little scene that we have built up here. I'm gonna get the train going and we'll record that. I ain't cutting in before the train running here, so I had to go to Walmart, and they had these new Merry Christmas to Santa Claus water towers in. That's the same company as the rest of the buildings. So I picked one of them up and set it right here, as you can see. And also while I was there, I picked up mother, daughter, and dog. Try to get a view of it. Here you go. Just bought a Christmas tree, dragging it on a sled. I just got it from the Greenhouse Christmas Tree shop. I just wanted to insert the new stuff I did, and also put a little garland up in front, like make it look a little more festive. Maybe a little deterrent too, to keep little kids away from the layout. Yeah.
Well, you coming? Well, you coming?
I'm only running 3 cars on it, so that's all this layout can handle. That's all I want to put out here. anyway, that's going to do it from the 2023 Jonesburg Lighted Christmas Parade and layout in Santa shop. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, press that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you really like this video. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you soon with the Christmas layout at the Truesdale show, which is tomorrow. Catch you later.